Welcome back to this video. In this video, we are going to see how to easily make use of your WeChat Pay to pay for your goods on Pinduoduo without any stress. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want to procure Lincoln 1688, Taoba or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, or you want me to fund your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. All right, so the very first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up your Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. So I'm going to click on here now to open my Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. Having opened up your Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app, next thing you need to do is to search for product. There are so many ways by which you can use to search for products. You can simply scroll down. The more you scroll down, the more you see different products right here on your Pinduoduo timeline right here. However, you can also come to the top right here, click on this camera icon. This allows you to image search for any product. So once you are able to search for product, next thing you need to do is to go ahead and see how we can make payment with our WeChat Pay. So in this tutorial, I'm going to use a particular product as an example. So let's find out. So I'm going to use this particular product right here. So once you click on the product link, you can scroll down right here. You see product detail. The more you scroll down, the more you see product detail right here, just like what you see right here. However, once you are satisfied with the product detail, next thing you need to do is to go ahead and place your order with your WeChat Pay. And for that, I'm going to simply click on here. So for that, we need to make sure we have the product to cart because I need different color of this particular product right here. I need color green and I need white of different quantity. So for us to add a product to cart, we just need to tap on here. So product has been successfully added to cart. Next thing we want to do is to go ahead and proceed to our cart. So for us to have access to our cart, we click on here to go back. Then we have to click on our profile right here. So it's going to take us right here. Next thing we want to do is to click on here to fill our cart. So just like what you see right here, next thing we want to do is to click on here to proceed to checkout. Then from the checkout right here, what we want to do is to select WeChat. Having selected WeChat, I'm paying the sum of 51.01 yen to purchase this. Next thing I need to do is to click on here to proceed. The next thing I need to do right here is to make sure I enter my payment password. Payment done successful, just like what you see right here. Next thing I need to do is to click on back to vendor. And I have to click on here to close this pump up. And I have to click on here now to go to my profile. By the time I refresh my profile, the product I just paid for is going to be found right here. So let's check it out. So you can see them right here. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how to import from China using Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app, consider to subscribe. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure Lincoln 1688, Taoba or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.